Hi, I'm Student Assistant to Enrollment Services. The following video tutorials were created to help guide you through your post-secondary experience at Douglas College.
If you are having trouble following along with the content of these videos, please contact Enrollment Services or speak with the Student Success Advisor.
You are not alone in this academic journey, so check in with your Student Success Advisor to make sure that you are on a right path. Let's jump right into the video.
How to log into your My account and check your registration date and time. First, go to Douglas College website at douglascollege.ca. Hover your cursor over Login. When the drop-down menu appears, click on My account. Here, you will be taken to a landing page that will ask for your CNA credentials, which you would have received by an email. If you haven't received your CNA credentials, you can call CIT at 604-527-5330 or an email to servicedesk@douglascollege.ca would work. Once you log in, select registration, then check registration date and time. On this page, it will ask for the term you're checking your registration for. Term means semester, and a normal credit student at Douglas College follows the 3-semester model. Fall being September to December, winter being January to April, and summer being May to August. Select the semester you are checking your registration time for. If you do not see your term, this means that the slot time has not been assigned yet. Here, you will be given the exact registration date and time of when the registration system will be open for you. Please note that you will have the access to registration system anytime on or after the assigned time slot. Now, this time is very unique to every student based upon their GPA and program. So do not worry if this time doesn't match up with your friends. You are able to add or drop courses for the duration of registration period until the second week of classes. If you see red X's where there are check marks, you won't be able to register. This could be for a variety of reasons. So if you see red X's, contact Enrollment Services as soon as possible. Keep the payment and refund deadlines in mind.
All courses that are registered for must be paid by the payment deadline. Course fees for the courses added after the deadline date are due by the third week of classes. Any courses dropped after the first day of semester do not receive a full refund.
You can find more information about dates and deadline and tuition payment information by scrolling down in the homepage under Ready to Apply section. Finally, try and register as close to your registration date and time as possible. This is the time where you will have the best chance of getting into the classes you want. So set a calendar reminder because some classes can fill up quickly.
How to add or drop classes. Log into your My account. Select registration. Then select Add, Drop or Waitlist courses. Select your appropriate semester from the drop-down menu, then click Submit. If you know the course reference number, CRN, then you can create your schedule. If you do not know the CRN, then click the class search, also known as our course scheduling tool. Once you have typed in the CRN, hit the Submit Changes button and the registration system will immediately register you into the class if there is space. Please make sure you see Registered under the Status section to ensure your courses have been added successfully. If the class is full, it will give you an option to waitlist. If you have second thoughts about the class and decide to drop it, select the down arrow in the action column in the row of the appropriate class you want to drop and then select drop. Once selected and you see that the action has been changed from none to drop, click Submit Changes and you will be deregistered from the class. However, once you hit the Submit button, you cannot reverse this and there is no guarantee that you will be able to get back into the class if you change your mind. Make sure you know the deadlines for dropping a course. You won't be able to get a full refund after the semester starts. That's it for now. And if things still don't make sense, give us a call or send us an email. We would love to hear from you. Make sure you're following Douglas College on Facebook and Instagram, or download our Douglas College app to find out what's happening on campus. The link of everything is in the description box below. Thank you again for watching. And as always, talk to an enrollment service advisor for more help.